Okay, this is the end of the line at the moment because we're on the red traffic light system. Next week, New Year's Eve, orange light, we can go further up to the zoo. Yeah. After that, if we do get to the green light, MOCAT 2, where the aeroplanes are. MOCAT 2 is closed at the moment because they're doing renovations, and they're also putting a new car park with the driveway, 1,500 car park where the driveway is, alright? So that's why they're doing it now. Yeah. And this, by the way, this is the original Auckland tram built in 1938, so you can work it out how old this tram is.